Good morning. I'm just heading out to a course in Edinburgh and I thought I've got 10 minutes so I can do a quick drawing. And today I thought I'd do a drawing of my favourite chair, my new favourite chair that I acquired from Kinsey House and Gardens. Yeah, okay, so here goes. I could have done this before I got dressed, but I thought you must be kind of tired of seeing me in my dressing gown. And this actually is another one of my favourite dresses. It makes me feel good wearing this. Okay, now, jeekers. The setup here is a little bit dodgy. Yeah, actually I think that's quite a good angle. Okay. I'm going to make this as swift as I can now, this drawing. I just need to set up the tripod a bit more firmly here. There we are. Okay. Alright. Maybe tilt it back a little. There's Margot come to join us as well. Okay. Okay, so I guess the brief today could be do a little drawing of your favourite chair. This is just a regular pen. I'm going to probably do a double page drawing. I just wondered if I'd hit record or not there. I think it's lovely in these sessions that we can fully experiment without feeling in any way precious about things. And it's because we don't feel in any way precious that little things may turn up that are surprising and that we could take through to our practice more generally. I think this chair is going to be cut off by the edge of the page, but might be no harm. And the leg. Just going to kind of visualize the full space that the chair takes up first. And straight away I'm thinking of collage because I can see that there's places here that I could more swiftly indicate with by sticking some paper on. And also my square brush and some watercolour. I'm just going to use my water. I can't find my painting water. Okay, so it's this turquoisey colour that I've squirted out. I think is a good one. You can see it there. Just going to stick some on. No, you can't see that, can you? So the big brush is great. It makes you more bold and get there faster. Okay, now I'm just going to take what I get here now. Let's see. You know what? I think that's going to kind of work for the cushion. Yeah, I'll just stick that on and I can supplement it then with colour from the paint box. Like that. I do want to bring in some of that nice greenish colour. for over the collage. I think really oil pastel is the thing that'll work more clearly. So I'm just going to let that drop down there again now. And find some greens and blues here that might work. And even some dots of orange and yellow. I'm a real fan of anything that gets you there faster. Okay, so the green I thought was a good one. Just need to take the paper off it. It's great having an old play at the start of the day. Okay. Some of the oil pastels work to, have a more opaque look over the... I'm just trying to paint over this one. Trying to draw over that one. Some of the oil pastels work better over collage than others. This colour isn't covering that well, but it's okay. It kind of suits me this time for that not to be so well covered. It's just some blue oil pastel now to reinforce the chair. I think I'm going to put that on the seat of the chair because I want it to look different without having to labour over it. Whoa, just caught the box of oil pastels. There we are. This kind of flapping about isn't the easiest way to work. But I trust that you're setting yourselves up in a position that makes you feel comfortable. I know a lot of you say it's relaxing, and I'm really glad to hear that. It means that you're taking care of yourselves too, which is paramount really, isn't it? Okay. And that might kind of work for the tablecloth top. It would work better really for the vase, but I just want something overlapping to show how the chair is being overlapped by the table, so I'll just stick it in there. Okay. And then there's the chair leg back there. Still an oil pastel of a different colour. You see the chair legs underneath at the back are a bit darker, so I want to use a darker kind of bottle green is what I've chosen here to describe using a bottle green to describe the legs of the chair. Okay. I want to do this again, but just in case I don't get a chance today to do another video, I wanted to have something done before I leave. Because actually I really love this chair and drawing it. I did a drawing of it yesterday there, which is a little bit more orderly looking and a kind of sweet. But I like this cushion, so I bought the cushion in from the car in order to draw it together with the chair. Just going to put a bit more of the pattern in and try and make it consistent between the collage and the paper it's sitting on by putting in more of the colours that are in the cushion in both places. And just some little flashes of orange. Okay for time. Okay. Because this is the seat, I want it to sit flush with the surface. But I just kind of haven't given myself time enough to make it all stick down, so it's flailing about a little bit. And I think I need to get a bigger sketchbook, don't you? Because this kind of working across the binding is okay once or twice, but I think really now it's time to get a bigger sketch drawing board. Bigger drawing board and bigger paper. Just a little bit of paint to finish off. I want to let this be connected more than just by the collage, so that we can see it as an object that's sitting in front. I don't know if you can see that. So I've invented the pink in order to match with the tabletop colour. Okay, and just for a final move, I mean, you can tell that this is really just playing about, and I've created quite a big mess here on the page, but you know, it's good fun. And yeah, let me go over here and say goodbye to you. Yeah, so that was a good laugh. It's a total disaster, like, but I would welcome you playing around and really letting yourself fully experiment, and see that also as being perfectly great. You know, this is what creativity is about. I think it's about floundering around a little bit, finding your way gradually, and sometimes not finding your way. They say that paintings go through a teenage phase. Sometimes a painting can be a teenager all the way through. And these ones are the ones that maybe uncover more brilliant work in us. So, do you like that my yoga mat matches the chair? I love that. And actually the cushion behind it as well. Okay, have a lovely day. All the best. Bye.